Some homes are built to be seen, others to be felt. This one exists somewhere in between, composed like a piece of music, where silence, textures, and light move in perfect tempo. The facade sits with quiet assurance, framed by trees, grounded by shadow. It doesn't shout for attention. It simply belongs. The entryway feels like a breath held, just long enough to reset the day. Pale walls stretch upward, light drips down the staircase, and oak floors carry a soft echo underfoot. It's not grand, it's graceful, the kind of welcome that whispers instead of applauds. The kitchen unfolds with quiet confidence. Stainless steel gleams like a restrained smile. There's rhythm here, in the alignment of drawers, the repetition of stools, the choreography of morning rituals. The dining room feels like a long exhale. Sunlight lands gently across linen and glass. The chandelier doesn't demand the spotlight, it reflects it. A space designed for slow dinners and unhurried stories. Step beyond the glass and the house exhales. Timber boards warm beneath bare feet. The air smells faintly of cedar and salt. Inside again, the tempo changes. The library wraps you in thought. Books rise like quiet architecture. Shadows pool between spines. It's not just a room for reading, but for remembering. The kind of space where time doesn't hurry you. Here, space opens wide, but never loses intimacy. Vaulted ceilings carry conversations upward, while deep blues anchor the room to earth. The fireplace hums with quiet confidence, turning architecture into emotion. Every texture, linen, wood, glass, becomes a note in the home's quiet composition. There's a sense of choreography, one room yielding to the next. Spaces don't stop, they pivot, soften, invite. This is design that anticipates you before you even cross the threshold. Then, a shift. Deep hues take over. Teal walls, polished brass, the glint of glass. It's a moody interlude, cinematic and bold. The room feels alive at night when conversation echoes and the ceiling lights flicker like a private skyline. Every house needs a little drama. This is where it lives. The bedrooms retreat into stillness. Morning light filters through sheer curtains. Everything feels deliberate, softened. It's the kind of quiet that restores you, the kind money can't buy, but good design can frame. In this home, design doesn't just define space, it defines the silence between moments. And that silence is where the true beauty lives.